Hello family, welcome to another beautiful video. So this is a well detailed tutorial on how to make Ghana weaving. As you can see, I left this side of the hair for you guys. I said I'm going to make a video on how to part and how to weave. So if you are a very fast learner, you will be able to get this, and make sure that you're cutting. You know, the beauty of hair, like I tell my students, the beauty of hair is the pattern, the cutting, your lines. If your lines are neat and beautiful, trust
Watch
me,
this video from beginning to
your
end
hair
and
will
tell
be
me the
very,
parts that you have
as your hair will be very
difficulty
neat.
in.
So
And let's
watch
explain
this
it further,
video from beginning
either in
to
the comment
end,
section or in another video. And please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and share to your loved ones. I hope you get value from this video.
The country's most elite chefs put their money and reputations on the line. In an after-hours dance and culinary program, you will create dishes based on the concept you dance.
Not taste your food. Are you serious? Without a knife.
Mistakes, wild twists, and epic kitchen throwdowns. New series of Wild Card Kitchen, Saturdays on Food Network. They packed the wrong thing Monday, which I was going to return, but the security guards came, so I inside the truck, which then drove away and dropped me in the middle of nowhere. We are 40 miles and there was some by a taxi driving past, but also was funeral, which they finally, luckily, and thankfully brought me here. And that might not be why I think 3 months birthday party. With so much to watch. You're gonna need good excuses, I know. The year of unmissable sport and entertainment. 2025 on DSTV. Sign up now for a package that works for you.
We should always get like this.
Get unbelievable entertainment that is unbelievably easy to own. Get and stay connected to DSTV.